Okay, we're here again with Ethan, and we're going to be working on the letter X. The consonant letter X actually has two parts to its sound, which makes the X sound. Okay, can you point the letter X for me, Ethan? And what sound does that make? X. No, letter X makes what sound?
X.
No, don't read that word yet. Tell me what sound letter X makes. What sound does it make? X. Very good. Okay. Can you read that first word for me?
Fax.
Sound it out for me.
Fax.
Good. Next word.
Oxys. Boxes.
Good.
On the machine. On max power.
Good. Can you sound out Max for? Can you sound out Max for me? Sound out Max for me. Where's Max?
Max.
Sound it out for me.
Max. Max.
Very good job. Okay. Good job.